Hello everybody, it's Albert, and today I'm going to teach you how to mend a broken heart. Now, having your heart broken can be one of the most difficult and painful experiences that a human being can experience. A lot of poets of old have compared the sensation to being stabbed in the chest with a knife, being strangled to death by sorrow, or the act of death or dying as an act itself. I personally feel it's a lot more like being electrocuted. So today I'm going to show you how to turn your shattered vessel into a probably more jaded and slightly more nihilistic but still functioning organ. Now, a lot of people think that the way to mend a broken heart is to do what's called rebounding, which is senseless fornication. Now, I found, based on my research, that frequent symptoms of rebounding include syphilis, herpes, and gonorrhea. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do in order to mend your broken heart is what's called positive affirmations. So I'm just going to share with you the one that I do, and I think it will help you as you try to work through your pain. Alright, so it goes like this. Well, actually you got to stand up to do it. So my affirmation goes something like this. I'm hip, I'm cool, and I'd totally f*** me. The next thing you're going to want to do is get a life. You've just experienced metaphorical death, buddy. It's time to get a new hobby, learn a new skill, learn the ancient discipline of Muay Thai, or the art of 8 limbs. Huh, 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 huh. Or learn a new instrument, such as the accordion. Pick up a new vice. The point is, you need to do whatever you need to do in order to keep yourself distracted from thinking about the way she laughed, or the way she smiled, or what she looked like when she was embarrassed, or the time you was together eating turtle soup down in the bayou. Anyway, you get the point. The next and very important step in order to mend your broken heart is time, dummy. You gotta give him more time. Hey, I hope I helped show you how to get over a broken heart. Maybe now you remember that you are important and you matter. Yeah.